Hello friends, welcome to Gardening Escape. In today's video, we will learn how to prevent black spot of roses. Black spot is a very common and the most threatening fungal disease of rose plants throughout the world. If not treated promptly, it will cause severe damage to plant health. Behind this disease, there's Diplocarpon rosae fungus that spreads from previously infected canes and leaves. Identifying black spot is quite easy. As infections develop on upper side of rose leaves, it is clearly visible to naked eyes. Dark black patches with fringed edge is the usual sign of this fungal disease. However, reddish purple spots can also appear on canes due to black spot. Like most of the fungi, Diplocarpon rosae prefers wet and humid climate. These fungus spores must be wet for at least 8 to 12 hours before they can germinate. In monsoon, rose plants face exactly same type of weather condition. Continuous rainfall keeps rose plants wet and black spot spreads rapidly. To counter black spot, we need to take preventive measures as well as remedies. First of all, improve air circulation between rose plants. As fungal spores spread through rain and wind, good air circulation minimizes the infection from one plant to another. Secondly, keep roses at a place where they will get maximum sunlight. This is important because sunlight will speed up drying of wet leaves and canes. Eventually, fungal spores won't germinate due to dryness. Thirdly, discard all the yellow leaves as soon as possible to stop breakout of this fungal disease. Take a trash bag and collect all the infected leaves as well as fallen leaves. Then bury it or burn it away from your rose bushes. Keeping a clean environment around the roses always help in preventing black spot. These are some preventive measures to control black spot. But once this fungus starts infecting roses, it's very hard to control. However, if we use fungicides properly, stopping this disease is possible. Especially mancozeb, chlorothalonil, copper oxychloride and sulfur-based fungicides work best. SAF, Blitox, Dithenem 45 are some of the cheap and most used fungicides to tackle black spot. Also, there are some broad-spectrum fungicides like Amistar Top, Nativo, Ridomil that fight against black spot and a lot of fungal problems. To stop black spot, we need to apply fungicides both regularly and alternatively. Like if you spray SAF or M45 this week, you have to use Blitox or blue copper next week. This doesn't allow fungus to develop resistance. Mix 1 gram fungicide into 1 liter of water and spray it all over the plant. Along with fungicide, use a silicone-based sticker so that every drop of fungicide sticks to the plant body for a long time. You can use sticker with liquid fungicides also. It's safe and benefit the plants in monsoon. Apart from using just one type of fungicide, you can also combine two different fungicides. I use a combination of 1 gram M45 and 1 gram metalaxyl into 2 liters of water. It acts as a broad spectrum fungicide on roses. I don't recommend this mixture for new rosarians. However, you can buy fungicides of same combination from a fertilizer shop and those are pretty much safe to use. Hope you enjoyed the video. Comment below for more queries and check out the description box or the playlist section for the links of more interesting videos on our channel. If you are watching our videos but haven't subscribed yet, please do it now. It will help us making more videos and we will grow bigger as a community. Thanks for watching. Stay fit and happy gardening.